Hello and welcome. There's one skill that can truly open doors for you in, well, pretty much every part of your life, and that's the art of the introduction. It sounds simple, right? But believe me, getting it right is a total game changer. So let's dive in and figure out how to master this together.
Oh, that question. So, tell me about yourself. We've all been there, haven't we? Your mind just goes blank. Palms start to sweat. It feels like the toughest question in the world. But here's the thought. What if you could have a clear, confident answer ready to go for any situation?
Okay, so the first big secret is there's no single perfect introduction. Nope. The best one is always, and I mean always, tailored to the situation. So think of us as your personal communication coaches today. We're going to walk you through 5 really common scenarios and give you some solid practical examples you can literally start using right away.
So, here's the game plan. We're going to tackle the job interview, your first day on the job, introducing yourself in class, joining an online call, and then wrap up with casual and social intros. Sound good? Let's get started.
All right, first up, the job interview. This is the big one, right? The pressure's definitely on, and how you introduce yourself can set the tone for the entire meeting. Your goal here is to sound professional, confident, and super relevant. Let's watch our friend Rahim handle that classic question, tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Rahim Ahmed, and I'm from Bangladesh. I completed my bachelor's degree in statistics, and currently I'm doing my master's.
During my studies, I developed a strong interest in data analysis and problem solving. I enjoy working with numbers and finding patterns in data.
At the moment, I'm focusing on improving my technical and communication skills. And I'm looking for an opportunity where I can learn, grow, and contribute to a team. I believe this position matches my background and career goals, and that's why I'm very interested in this role.
Wow. Okay, that was just perfectly executed. Let's break down exactly why that works so well. See how he started with a clear background? Then, he didn't just list skills, he connected them directly to the role. And he finished strong, showing real enthusiasm and purpose. The best part? He did all of that in under 90 seconds. Clean, concise, and powerful. All right, so that interview was a huge success. You got the job. Awesome. But now it's your first day, and you have to introduce yourself to your new team. The goal here is totally different. You want to come across as friendly, competent, and most importantly, a great team player. Let's see how Rahim handles this one.
Hello everyone, I'm Rahim Ahmed, and I recently joined the team as a junior analyst.
I have a background in statistics, and I'm very interested in data-driven work. I'm excited to work with all of you and learn from your experience. Please feel free to guide me whenever needed.
That was great. Did you notice the shift there? The whole tone is much more collaborative, right? He states his role and background, sure, but the key part is how he expresses excitement to work with everyone, and even asks for guidance. That shows humility. It shows he's ready to learn, and that's exactly the vibe you want on your first day.
Okay, let's switch gears. Now we're in an academic setting. This could be a university class, a training session, maybe a workshop. Your goal here is to show everyone that you're an engaged and purposeful learner.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rahim Ahmed. I'm a master's student in statistics at Begum Rokeya University.
I joined this program because I want to improve my practical skills and learn how to apply what I study in real life. I'm really looking forward to learning from this session. Thank you.
See? Simple, respectful, and really effective. He didn't just say his name and what he's studying. He explained his motivation, the why behind him being there. That immediately signals to the instructor and his classmates that he's serious about learning. It's short, to the point, and just perfect for that environment.
All right, on to a very modern challenge, the virtual intro. You're on a Zoom call, maybe with people from all over the world. In this situation, being brief is everything. You have to give some context and establish who you are really, really quickly.
Hello, everyone. My name is Rahim, and I am joining from Bangladesh. I have an academic background in statistics, and currently I am focusing on developing my analytical skills.
I'm happy to be part of this meeting and looking forward to our discussion. And that's just perfect for an online call.
Mentioning his location, that's a really nice touch. It gives everyone immediate context. He quickly states his background and then ends on a really positive, collaborative note. No wasted time, no fluff. Just clear, effective communication.
Okay, for our last section, let's talk about casual social introductions. You might think, oh, I don't need a strategy for this, but trust me, tailoring your intro just a little bit can make a huge difference in how you connect with people. So we're going to look at two different versions, one for meeting a new friend and another that's a bit more, let's say, mature.
Hi, I'm Rahim. I'm originally from Rangpur, but currently I'm living here for my studies. I study statistics, and these days I'm also learning some tech skills on the side. In my free time, I usually watch educational videos or work on small projects. Nice to meet you. What about you? Hi, I'm Rahim. I studied statistics, and I'm really interested in understanding how data works in real life. Right now, I'm exploring different career paths and building my skills step by step. I like learning new things and improving myself. Nice to meet you. Okay, did you catch the difference there? The first one is way more personal, right? He shares his hobbies, and then he ends with a question to get a conversation going. The second one is still casual, but it leans more into his professional interests and personal growth. Both are totally great. It just depends on the vibe you're getting from the situation.
So, we've seen all these different examples, but what's the secret sauce? Well, it really all boils down to this super simple three-part formula. Step 1, who you are. Just your name, your basic identity. Step 2, your context. Give one relevant detail, your job, your studies, what you're into. And step 3, your purpose. Why are you here? To get the job? To learn something new? To connect with people? That's it. This is the basic building block for pretty much every great introduction you'll ever give.
So there you have it. The path forward is pretty clear, right? You have the examples, you have the formula. The only thing left to do is practice. So the question is for you. Which one of these introductions are you going to practice first? Which one are you going to make your own? Starting today.